Hi guys, Fortune as a brand we commonly associate with oils. It also offer a variety of rice grain. So in this video I'm going to show you review of Fortune Rozana Basmati Rice. So this 1 kg pack has MRP of rupees 130, but you can get this one from Amazon at rupees 90 and 2 years is the shelf life. Look at the grains, white in color but they are mixed grain. Actually broken ones are also there. They're all clean and we are going to cook it exactly the way it is mentioned on the pack. For a perfect pot of rice, thoroughly rinse rice 3-4 times and then soak it for 30 minutes in cold water. Now keep 4 cups of water to boil for 1 cup of rice and add rice to the boiling water. Cook on medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. If you are cooking by clothespin method, for 1 cup of rice, 1 cup and 3/4 measure of water is needed. Here it's been 8 minutes, so drain the rice in a sieve and here we have the cooked rice. It is non-sticky, fluffy, khila rice. Grain is soft. It's not very long, but it's decent for everyday use. And the taste is also okay. It's soft to chew. So for regular day-to-day dal chawal, you can consider this rice. If you get it up to 90 rupees kg, give it a shot and subscribe for more such videos.